and also so I'm going to be using the Bawdy tool. Very pretty. You can probably tell that I have some fingerprints on it because I've actually been using this. And something interesting, it's a body tool for, you use it for your whole body, but you can actually use it for your face as well, because they're not, something about gua sha is, I know that it's a very much a trending thing right now, a trending skincare practice, but in general, if you've done it for a while, it is just that, it's a practice. So I've been gua shaing, no joke, for over a year, maybe every single day for 9 months, but over a year, like closer to 2 years. I'm so busy during the day that I really appreciate this time every night when I get to do this for myself. And one more sip, y'all. Strong. But I appreciate every night when I get to do this for myself. So I'm going to pull this down because I sort of want my neck area to be clean. But the idea, I'll just sort of explain, the idea behind the gua sha is a couple things. It's to improve your circulation, and with your body, it's to improve your circulation. It's also, which means like blood flow, things like that. But it's also it can relieve tension. It's like very self-soothing, in my opinion. That's not a benefit, but it is to me. And yeah, also I want to throw out, I'm wearing this cute bikini by Araya Swim, my friend's swim company. Really cute, like neutral colors. But anyways, I wanted to also shout out that I am wearing this like incredible, it's called Etude waffle robe. I'm definitely going to do another little live stream on just maybe a skincare or like a hair live stream. I don't know. But I just need to sort of highlight this again because it's like incredibly soft. I'm like shocked. But anyways, moving on, I'm going to use, let's see how this comes out. Oh, it's locked. Same feature, y'all. So moving this to the left. Oh, it comes out right away. Let me just feel this consistency. It's nice. Hold on 1 second. Just realized. Hold on. That was the wrong one. Oh, it comes out in a spray. Okay. Put some more on. One thing about when you do gua sha, that I'm going to hide that little thing on my end. One thing to note about when you do gua sha is sometimes you do get red. And I think when you first start doing this, you may get freaked out that that's not supposed to happen. I'm going to turn a little music. But it's actually good to have it. If it turns red, it actually means there's like blood flow going on. There's a term for it, but I don't remember it off the top of my head. Maybe I'll put my hair down. I feel bald here. But it's actually okay. Let me get a little bit more. Hold on. Let me get a little bit more. And I like to really lather it on. Okay. You know, the hair down idea was not a good idea. Because I like it all the way on. Oh, my skin needed that. Because it's literally